Today I'll be putting a performance primary clutch on my moped and I'll be taking it for a test drive. So this is it right here. I've got it kind of assembled already. This is the rollers inside there, so this is it right here. Obviously I gotta get these rollers set up in here, but it's pretty simple to put together. Well, first test drive on the new performance clutch. Let's hope it doesn't blow up on me. Okay, so this is my second test drive here, and the issue with the first one is I think the rollers were too heavy. So I did half of the lighter rollers that were stock, and then half of the heavier rollers, so hopefully I can go like mid RPMs and maintain that top speed. Because my speedometer, it only goes to 70, so I get an app on my phone and it was reading 79, so that's an improvement from before. It was only doing like 60, maybe a little bit over if I use the throttle right. So let's see what happens this time.